Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Jared and Michelle are about to go kick some ass at California Tactical Academy once again, but today we are doing something unlike anything else we've done thus yet. We'll be shooting big ass guns out of helicopters.
I'm really excited. I have not ever, we've ridden helicopters before, but never shooting guns out of it. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. We've done some training where we're running and moving around with the guns. So this is gonna be a little bit different.
So we hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you like about it, what you don't like about it, and probably put this shout out in the end. But we always want to know what you guys challenge us to do, what you want us to do, and we're also gonna let you know where we're gonna be and stuff that you can come do challenges with us, like skydiving and stuff like that. So keep tabs and come reach the Flowstate with us. All right, so we are at California Tactical Academy. Wait, hold on. We're at California Tactical Academy right now. We just met up with Scott and Demi.
What's up?
We're about to do our ground training. In our ground training, we're gonna shoot rifles from chairs, from vehicles, from cars, to get ready to go shoot helicopters. But last time we had this shooting day, and the last few times we've had some type of competition. So we're gonna see who does the best today. And I don't know, we need a wager. Who wants to put a wager?
The girls.
Girls?
Yeah, females. Woo.
Okay. I got money on me and Scott. But are we wagering some Chipotle after this?
Definitely.
Ooh.
Definitely.
Send it.
Who's buying Chipotle?
Chipotle. All right. Losers buy Chipotle. That's the deal today, and we will see who lost later.
Oh.
I want to know who or what is responsible for making you such a badass.
This man right here.
There we go. There we go. So we got one badass turning another.
And you brought us here.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, we're all gonna be badasses together.
She turned me even more into more of a badass too. So.
He also helped me turn into a
She's a
badass.
savage, you know?
So it's just a bunch of badass energy.
There we go. I'm feeling pretty good about my teammate. Michelle's turn to shoot. She's actually doing pretty good. I'm a little bit worried. I think we might have some challenge on our hands. Demi also did really good, so me and Scott are gonna have to step up our game.
Engage. Nice hit. Engage. Go ahead and engage.
Okay, so we just did some training, static training, sitting on chairs. We were simulating what it would be like sitting in a helicopter, which I thought was a really smart idea for us to kind of get the right position in shooting. And then we shot from inside of a car, which is really, really cool.
We're up by the helipad, just pulling up. Gonna get unloaded.
Freaking awesome, guys.
Go at it. Here it comes, guys.
There she is.
We are going to be shooting from that. There's all right for today. Ladies, your chariot awaits.
Uber chopper.
Uber chopper. Demi, did you Postmate something? Did you Postmates this?
Yeah, I'm getting it right now. It just arrived.
Okay, guys, the competition is about to begin. I'm pretty hungry.
How are we even gonna
Chipotle
evaluate
sounds really
this?
good.
Okay, low down, and then give me 9 degrees, point, good, and 45 degrees. Okay, good job. Give me 90, 45, perfect. Let's pick it back, fix it back, go back, and
probably pretty loud. I don't know if you can hear this, but we just got done shooting from a helicopter. This is like above a bucket list thing. This is like something I didn't even think I could do.
I never thought I would ever do this.
And it was like literally one of the coolest things ever.
So grateful for California Tactical Academy and Will from California Tactical Academy. Super amazing. I still can't believe I literally shot rifles out of a freaking helicopter.
Like freaking semi-automatic, like tactical rifle. It was dope shit. Like it was cool. Hey, this is the prize for today's competition.
We won. So they're buying us food.
Yeah.
Scott, how's the winning meal?
I gotta say, normally it's amazing, but if it was free today, it's even more amazing.
Agreed.
Thanks, Danny.
Shout out to Freddie over here for coming to help us film today. Much appreciated.
Hey, thanks. You're welcome.
What?
Congratulations on your win.